Herika, Herika, sini buat karo. Sini karo. Herika, sini. Harus karo.
Only basic.
Herika, sini.
She said, kursi group ni kira.
Herika, sini. Understand, no, understand. Magbisaya na lang tayo, di ba kakasabot? Klaro. Haro, konnichiwa. Mang Inasar. Mang Inasar.
Inasal.
Oishi. Oishi na. Hai. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Good. Oishi? Oishi?
Wishi.
Spicy. I like spicy. Spicy, okay?
Spicy.
Spicy.
Chili.
Chili. Okay, chili. Fish chili. Nice.
What's your name, ma'am? First blood.
Namay wa, namay.
Name. Sakto name?
Name.
Jonah.
Jonah. Ma'am Jonah.
Hello, kape mo, ma'am. What drinks? What do you want?
Cola, Lipton, Gulaman.
We have they have Sprite, Coke. You have Coke, ano? Coke.
Cola.
Iced tea.
Cola, okay.
Cola.
Okay. Cola, okay. Nice.
Coke.
540, sir.
Here is, sige na. Harap, sige. Sige na. First time here.
First time,
First time. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Staff. Very nice. Kansai desu ka? Age.
24.
Oh,
Sen. Kanina?
24. Kawai ne, kawai. Okay. Teach me speak Bisaya.
Ina mo batik naon.
Oh,
She said you're very handsome.
Oh, yeah, no handsome.
You're handsome.
No handsome.
Ina mo you're Bisaya do. Subukan sa. Dili sabot ulit.
Nice. Ari, sige na mas sudo. Okay. Nice.
Chika, sir, no?
Nice.
She said you're very kind. Putang na mo.
Oh,
Putang na mo, she said,
what mean?
You're very kind.
Kind?
Very
Yes.
Meaning you're kind.
Kind. Thank you. More. Bisaya, speak.
Story. Yawa ka. She said yawa ka.
Yawa ka.
Meaning a very hardworking person.
Yes. Hardworking. Yawa ka. Hardworking. Nice.
Bino is very,
Sir, parang yung vlog.
Namay Bino.
Tapos sa kanya, binuang.
Bino. Bino.
Collab lang kami ngayon. Ano lang po.
Bino. Namay. Bino.
Paluhin. Bino space ang.
Hari ka sino mo? Paro. Iris sino mo?
Dino space.
Ang.
Hari ka sino?
Ako po
Sino?
ma'am, Hanggaw Crew. Hanggaw Crew.
Double G, hanggaw.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hari ka sino mo? Paro. Sino ka na? Hari ka sino?
Don't understand.
Harus ka na.
Only basic.
Hari ka na sa.
She said, kursi group ni kira.
Hari ka sino? Understand, no? Understand. Magbisaya na lang tayo, di ba kakasabot? Klaro. Magbisaya lang, di ba kakasabot ya. Isa prank.